You in the presence of the finest, seems like there's no effort. I try my best the way I'm shining, feel like I'm an expert. I got the heart and now I'm flying for a life that's better. I want the cheese, the mozzarella, yes I want the cheddar. I'm so fly, I don't gotta brushing up my feathers. I'm so high that I'm standing on top of weather. And what I mean is about my self-esteem. I just hold myself between good thoughts, what you need, want rocks and the beats. I'm playing.
To start this lineup, the first thing I'm going to use is some hairspray. You can use any hairspray, it's your choice. I highly recommend a Stronghold, like a number 10, just to keep the hair in its natural shape. Using a blow dryer, go ahead and dry out the excess hairspray that is left on it or whatever product you may have used. Go lightly with the comb because you want the lineup to be as natural as possible. Using my retro T-cuts, I'm going to set my first guideline on the C-cup starting at the top, or you can also start at the bottom. Just make sure you don't go too close to the ear if you start at the bottom, because it's going to look more of a pointy sideburn. So just make sure you keep a distance at that bottom section on the C-cup. For the straight razor part, as you can see, I'm grabbing on the skin, I'm pulling tightly and using consistent short strokes, pulling it away from the razor. I'm gonna do the same, pulling on the skin down, going on the upper level of the C-cup. And I'm just doing this because I don't wanna lay my client back. I'm just working around them. And I don't know if you noticed, but there is no shave gel or shave cream. On most clients you can do this, but I highly recommend using some sort of a shave gel, shave cream, moisturizer if you do have a new client, to avoid any cuts or slicing. You can use any comb. Here I'm just showing you that I'm going to use the wider part of the teeth instead of the shorter one. It just makes it easier for me to comb through my hair. In this lineup, I am going to start in the middle, as you can see right now, and work my way out to the side. On the opposite side, I'm going to use the same steps, same technique. So that was the finished product for the lineup. It was already nice, sharp, clean, but I am going to use some Kiss Express here. I use Kiss Express because it's way easier to work. You can use some more permanent, like Just for Men or any other product that's permanent hair dye, but I am using my brush to take away some of the excess, brushing it back, making it look more natural. Just remember, when your client takes a shower, it is going to go back to a lighter color and it's going to look more natural. I'm using the straight razor here to make it look a little bit sharper. To finish it off, I want to make the lineup look extra crispy by using this eyebrow brush on the corner. I'm going to add more definition to it. It's a little bit sharper. The bristles are way shorter and it's softer. But just remember, all the excess that you see right now, I'm going to use my red brush and brush it back. Okay, so this was a video. Let me know if you think it was hot or not. I know I've been slacking on the videos. I've been taking care of a lot of personal stuff, but if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming content. You can also follow me on Instagram at 9fabian_reyes4 or FadeFave. Thank you for watching. God bless you. I'm out.